St. George, Utah. Relentless rains and melting snowcaps turn a small river into a raging flood. The Santa Clara River overflows its banks. It spreads a half-mile wide, and then it surges forward, sweeping up everything in its path. And nowhere is the river more destructive than the neighborhood called Creekside. Dusty Thompson records the devastation with his home video camera.
Look at these waves down here.
I have never seen anything like this in my life. It was quite incredible to see the strength of water.
Hours ago, the neighbors' houses were several hundred yards from the river.
Well, there goes the tree, there goes the tree.
Now, residents are in a desperate race to evacuate.
Get back, get back, get back!
The rate of the river was eroding the land about 10 to 15 feet in 10 to 15 minutes.
The family makes it out with seconds to spare. Sadly, all their possessions are still inside.
There it goes, there it goes. Oh, there it goes. That whole house is just gone now.
First, the porch goes. Then, the floor.
There goes the floor.
Then, the rest of the house.
There it goes, there it goes.
Next door, Robert Duffin can't know that this is only the beginning.
I was farther away from the river, and I thought surely that my home was going to be safe.
Unfortunately, he's wrong.
Corner's sagging. Starting to crack. There it goes, guys. Holy.
I had put so much effort into building this new home, and all except the kitchen was gone.
The entire house fell in one gigantic moment. A couple tons worth of building materials just swept away by the river in a matter of seconds.
Just downstream, Charlotte Pace believes her house can escape the flood's wrath.
At that moment, we thought that the river had done all the damage to our area that it would do.
But the worst is yet to come.
That's someone's house. That's just so sad.
It was a surreal feeling, a feeling that this couldn't really be happening. This must be some kind of awful nightmare.
By the time the rains stop and the waters recede, 27 homes are swallowed or condemned.
The river was like a monster.
Look at the waves.
The folks in Creekside will rebuild, but with a new respect and fear of nature's awesome power.
There it goes, guys. There it goes.